Assalamu alaikum guys. Today in this practical video I am going to teach you how to do plastering of wall step by step. Guys, you can see the first step is you will do curing of this wall where you want to start plastering. This is the first step. The second step is you will use cement powder. You will not use any water, anything, only you will use cement. Guys, you can see on that surface where you did the curing. This is the second step. The second part is, our step is very important. As you can see, use the cement on those places where you want to start the plastering or you did the curing. Now let me guide you for third step. Now guys, you can see this is the third step. As you can see, this is the third step of plastering. So you will paste the mortar like this where you did. First step is do the curing of the wall. Second, use the cement powder on those places where you did curing. The third step is, guys, you can see. Now guys, this is the fourth step. You will use the rod to do its leveling where you paste the mortar on the wall. As you can see, this is very simple. This is the fourth step. Guys, you can see clearly they are leveling the plastering. The leveling rod is made of iron. You can also use wooden rod. This is the fourth step of plastering. Now guys, you can see this is the final stage or final step of plastering. So after leveling of the wall or plastering, this is the final step. So with this method, you can do your plastering.